Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to format a string as a hexadecimal output in Python. So we'll start the conversion here using a modular operator. So we'll create a variable p_ord. Using the ord function, we'll return the Unicode for the lowercase letter p. So Unicode for lowercase letter p, and we'll print the Unicode here as output. So for p_ord. So this here is 112. So this return Unicode. And we'll now convert it to hexadecimal using a specific format specifier. So hexadecimal followed by this modulo operator with 04x. So this will print the output here as a hexadecimal, and then we'll convert this using another modular operator for p_ord. So this will return the hexadecimal with 4 digits and 0 padding on the left. So this is the hexadecimal, so 0 padding on the left, followed by 70. So the modulo 04x is a format specifier. And we can also return the hexadecimal here using f strings. So we'll print followed by f string and then p_ord for our variable, and then the colon and 04x. So this here also returns 0070. So using f strings, there is no need for a modulo operator. So this is how to return a specified string formatted as a hexadecimal with 0 padding on the left.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.